In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an Outlook password on a PC. If you've previously saved your Outlook login details in your web browser, there's a simple way to check whether the password is stored there. This can be helpful if you need to sign in on another device, update your account settings, or just confirm which password is currently being used. As you follow along, make sure you're on your own personal computer or a device you're authorized to use, since saved passwords are private information. To begin, open your web browser on your PC. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to the browser's main settings and tools. After that, click on Settings. This will open the browser's settings page, where you can manage different preferences related to privacy, security, saved information, and account details. If your browser window looks slightly different, don't worry. The wording may vary a little depending on the version you're using, but the general path is usually very similar. Inside Settings, find and click Autofill and Passwords. This section is where the browser stores information like saved addresses, payment details, and login credentials. Since we're looking for a saved Outlook password, this is the area you'll need. Next, click Google Password Manager. This opens the Password Manager built into the browser, where you can view websites and services for which login information has been saved. You may be asked to verify your identity before seeing any password details. For example, the computer may prompt you to enter your device password or use another verification method. That's a normal security step designed to protect your saved logins. Once you're inside Google Password Manager, look through the saved accounts and locate the Outlook entry. It may appear under Outlook, Microsoft, or a related login page, depending on how it was originally saved. When you find the correct entry, open it, and this is where you can view the saved password. If you don't see an Outlook entry listed, that usually means the password was not saved in the browser. In that case, you may need to use Microsoft's account recovery options instead. Also, be careful not to share or expose your password while checking it, especially if you're recording your screen or working around other people. And that's how to find an Outlook password on a PC using your browser's saved password settings.